activity.
Usembut Menteri Rangba Kajila ubadekmi ekatat PWD Roads iba prestun tingsong ila pentip baladap ban penmi iki work order na kebenta ka package 1, package 2 bat package 4 jong ka project Shna Surok na Shillong Dawki. Habakren shigilat pathai khubor iba tinsong ila yatho baka sarkar jong ka India lingba jong ka NHIDCL kalapindap ban beteng biang ya ka jingpentre na kebenta ka package 1 ila ong baya ka package 2 ya ka work order ka bakhat do la ban penmi bat minta lawan ra iki kor pentre bat shen on sala ban sedang no bat kumjo ya ka package 4 ya minta iki work order ka bakhat do ladap ban penmi bat don kam sa tangkat tu kat ni ki kot ki sla ban don kam ban pendap hapdeng ki contractor ka company baka bat ka NHIDCL.
So I'm happy to tell you that now package 1 and package 2 and package 4 work order has been issued. Package 1, in fact, Government of India under NHIDCL, they already started issuing the work. Then package 2, again, final work order has been issued, and now the machinery is being brought, and very soon they're going to start, as well as package 4. And in package 4, again, right now, final work order has been issued, and few more official documents has to be done between the contractor, the company, and the NHIDCL.